Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here in the countryside, just a few minutes from the town of Illora and around 30 minutes from the city of Granada, to show you this beautifully maintained countryside property. We have a plot of around 9,100 square metres, mostly with olive, and the house is approximately 100 square metres. It's 2 bedroom and 1 bathroom with a beautiful open plan kitchen sitting area. As you can see, we have lots of lovely outside space. There's well water and a septic tank here. Everything is completely legal. So we have a really nice barbecue area, and the owners have put in a concrete platform, which is just behind this tree here, for an overground swimming pool, and that pool will be included in the deal. So you have this lovely seating area, beautiful views. Let me just take you so you can have a quick look around the outside. So all amenities can be found in the local town, and that really is like 5 minutes away at the most. It's good quality double glazing, and many of the windows have mosquito netting. There are persianas on all of the windows, window blinds. So you have this lovely quality door. And you open up and you can see this beautiful open plan room. The ceilings are just over 4 meters high on the apex and over 2 meters on the lowest part. So we have a traditional style Andalusian kitchen with lovely arched windows. The house is going to be sold furnished, so almost everything that you see, not personal items of course. So it's a lovely comfortable room with a big open fireplace. This little corner here is just the most wonderful place to sit, because you have 2 incredible views in that direction and this side towards the Sierra Nevada. I'm not sure if you'll actually see it because it's very sunny today, but I'll try and give you a glimpse. There we go. That's the Sierra Nevada in the distance there. But this is just the most wonderful little spot to sit. So you can see it's a really good size room. And then we have, this is the front side bedroom. Very good size, and also lovely high ceilings throughout. Next to this is the family bathroom. With a very good sized shower at the end, and then your other bedroom. There's also a very large storeroom on this property that's closer to the entrance. Access is very easy. It's a concreted track off the main road, and then once you come onto the plot it is natural, but it's a very simple access. There's a double gate at the beginning of the plot, and there's a huge storage tank for water. So this is a very, very beautifully maintained property. One of the neighbours looks after the olive trees, and they have a deal with that person, which obviously you can continue or you can change, whatever suits your needs. But wherever you are, you can have sun or shade here. It's a really delightful place to be. So we look forward to showing you around this lovely little property, and we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share, to join our YouTube channel, hit the notification button so that you're informed of all of our upcoming videos. Also check out the website granadahouses.es. And I'm going to leave you with a lovely view of the countryside and then over towards the Sierra Nevada. So you're really not far from skiing. Thank you for watching.